Okay, here for number 8, I made a little error. It says write the expression not in radical form. It's already in radical form. We want this in exponential form, okay? All right, so do you see x to the 2? Let's just write that, x to the power 2, okay? Then this actually has a number in front. This here has the number 2 in front. So that goes into the bottom right here. All right? So this should be divided by 2. Right? So here, 2 over 2, that's x to the power 1. We can just write it as just x. There you go. Okay? Next, let's just write this, x squared. And then we know this goes into the bottom, right? Divided by 3. Right? And here's a better way to write it. Okay? Because again, it's x to the 2/3 power. Right? Here, let's write this, x to the 5, x to the 5. And then this has a number in front, which is a 2. Okay? So that goes in the bottom right here. So this is going to be 2. X to the 5/2 power. Okay? You can simplify this, but you can just, you can leave it like this if you would like. Okay? Or the real, yeah, leave it like that. Okay?